Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to change the preview settings within Vegas Pro 17. If you have not yet seen a video on how to get this software for free, please do check my description as I've posted a link on there and on my YouTube channel on how to get Sony Vegas Pro 17 for free. No payment at all, works first time. Let's get going. Now, on your preview screen you see at the top here, you have 4 different settings. What I'm going to do first is just make my one slightly bigger so you can see more of this. So this lovely massive box here, if you look at the top here where it's just a 5th tab along, if you select down on that you get 4 options. You get draft, preview, good and best. I'm going to go over all 4 of them for you. Now draft is the worst quality there is, but it's the fastest one there is. It's built for the slower machines, the very slow machines that does not handle Sony Vegas very well, but it gives you a base image of what your products are going to end up turning out to be. The scaling of this is point sample, and as I said, it's worse for quality but best for speed. Slow machines always use draft. This is what it looks like. I'll show you. You see the quality itself isn't perfect. You can barely see what is being said on the screen. But if you're editing a video, this doesn't always matter unless you're looking for the ones with detail. The second one on this list is preview, which is the second best on the list. So you've got a better quality here, not the best, but a better quality and nice speeds. If you've got a slightly faster machine, your machine can handle it. Preview is good. I often use preview when I am editing with FX because FX is highly demanding on the machines itself, especially when adding them. Once it's added, it's not too much of an issue, but adding it, I always change the preview because it still affects adding length. So the scaling on this one is linear, which is the best compromise between speed and quality. This is the best one in most cases if you are doing things like FX or transitions. Let's show you that one as well. As you can see, the quality is better. You can work out what it's saying, auto, full, etc. and etc. So this is better for most cases, but let's go to the next one. The next one on the list is good, which is also linear, but it has field handling on, field rendering on, and frame rate sample on as well. So if we select that, I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see on the screen, it instantly changed. It looks a lot more clearer, smoother. You can just a bit more better what the words are, but it just plays it a lot smoother. I don't often use good. I often use best or preview depending what I am doing on the machine or on my editing. The last one of all is best. Best is the bicubic integration. This is the best image resizing algorithm available in Vegas. You'll notice a huge difference when using this. Only use this when you've got a more powerful machine, because if you've got a slower machine, you're going to hinder how fast and how good you edit your videos, as Sony Vegas requires a lot of power. I will select best and full, and as you can see, the quality automatically improves. And you can see every little thing on it, every little part. It's much better, and I use this when I'm editing my least demanding videos. And other than that, they are the 4 settings. Again, preview and best are my recommended ones. If you've got more how-tos and what you'd like me to add, please do let me know down in the comments below. Please do comment and subscribe as well. I highly appreciate it, and I love all of you. Stay safe, be well.